Everybody. So today we are here to have a group discussion for a case study topic. So we have been studying the course Measurements and Instrumentation Engineering, and I think there is a very important topic called virtual instrumentation. So virtual instrumentation stands how differ from measurements and instrumentation is. So here we are seeing directly the device and all those things. Virtual instrumentation is we are not going to have any device like hardware setup and all, but into another form which we can virtually measure all the data, display the data, and carry out anything what we require. Okay, so today's discussion is going to be about a case study on the virtual instrumentation for monitoring and control in Tata Steels. Now let's get into the video. They have joined with me my mentee students of second year EEE, Joyamal, Ashmita, Paramashiva Pandian, Aravind and Gopika. So let us get into the video.
Virtual instrument. It is a software which combines both the hardware and software. It combines a computer software and a measurement instrument hardware to process and store and process the data. It is widely used in industrial automations and medical instruments and etc. field. Instead of traditional instrument, it is flexible and more easy to store, print and access the
Principle and working of virtual instrumentation. Virtual instrumentation works using data acquisition and software applications. Sensors collects parameters like voltage, temperature and pressure from the software applications. The computer prints the output using the DOQ applications. Virtual instrumentations is more flexible comparing to the measurement and instrumentations applications.
Applications of virtual instrumentation. It is mainly used in industries for automation and process control. Moreover, it is used in hospitals for a patient monitoring system, and it is used in power system, and it is so flexible and efficient, so that it is used in communication and speed.
Next, we are discuss about construction of the virtual instrumentation. Sensors collect the various type of parameters and data in computer softwares. So, a DK is digital signal into digital signal convert into physical quantity. In such a way, lab view is collecting of the various type of parameters. Example, arithmetics, boolean, strings, etc. And lab view is analyzing the data, displaying the monitors. Thank you.
As now we get to know what is virtual instrumentation from what all they said, and get the points what all said. And now let us see where the virtual instrumentation is used in many industries, and what the example we took is Tata Steel industry. In Tata Steel industry, the virtual instrumentation is used to monitor the temperature difference, the furnace temperature, the shape of the object, the shape and size of the object, and how the product is delivered, and how the product is manufactured, and the manufacture queue. And these are the monitoring of the virtual instrumentation. The virtual instrumentation monitors it through software, and hardware machines are also used in virtual instrumentation. This gives the output in the screen, and the people who monitor it get to know what is the fault detected, and these faults are rectified before the manufacturing, and this helps the industry to manufacture it very correctly, and in 100% correct product is manufactured through the virtual instrumentation with the help of the virtual instrumentation. And this gives the company and better manufacturing, and no damages are made.
The students have discussed about the various topics of virtual instrumentation. They started with what are all the various components of virtual instrumentation, how to embed the hardware and software, how do we take the results, how do we connect the hardware and software, how do the processing takes place, what are the various applications, and we usually do this lab view as one of the instrumentation software in our practical applications in the college. So along with this, many more types of virtual instrumentations are available. They have taken a Tata Steel as one case study example, where they monitor, they process, and the deliverables all are made by virtual instrumentation. So many places where we cannot go directly and take the survey of the readings and all, as Aravind said about the furnace and many manufacturing parts and all, we cannot directly move in and take the readings every time. So there we have to take the readings through sensors or transducers, collect the data and make it as a combine it as the software, and we are going to monitor it with some other places. So for all those things, this virtual instrumentation plays a very important role. So this also takes place in many power systems, that is wind energy generation plants and thermal energy generation plants, so iron and steel industries, automobile industries, in many other places. So this is a need of the hour, and this will make a role in the future also, wherever the industry is going to become more automated. So thanks for joining this video. So hope this video will be helpful to you, and we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.